Hello everyone and welcome back to my video.
Welcome to our basic meteorology class. Today, we will talk about 10 key meteorological terms that we used in marine. 1. Beaufort Scale. The Beaufort Scale is a system used to measure wind strength based on its effects on the environment, like the sea's surface and objects on land. It was created in 1805 by Sir Francis Beaufort, a British naval officer. The scale ranges from 0 to 12, where 0 is calm and 12 is a hurricane. How does it work? Each number on the scale represents a specific wind condition. 0, calm, no wind at all. The sea is like a mirror, perfect for a peaceful day on the water. 1 to 3, light winds. You feel a gentle breeze, and small ripples form on the sea. Great for a casual sailing trip. 4 to 6, moderate to strong winds. Now you'll see whitecaps, foamy waves, and small boats may start rocking a bit. 7 to 9, high winds to gale, things get serious. Larger waves form, and it becomes hard to stand outdoors. 10 to 12, storm to hurricane, extreme winds. Gigantic waves crash, and it's unsafe for most activities. At level 12, it's a hurricane. Why is the Beaufort Scale important? It helps sailors, meteorologists, and even regular folks understand wind conditions without using complex tools. Instead of saying, the wind is blowing at 40 knots, you can say, it's a force 8 gale. 2. Wind direction. The direction the wind is coming from. If the wind is blowing from the north, we call it a northerly wind. Knowing this helps sailors angle their sails and avoid getting stuck. Quick activity. Point to the direction where your imaginary wind is blowing from. Got it? That's your wind direction. 3. Wave height. What it is. The vertical distance between the crest, top, and trough, bottom, of a wave. Think of waves as nature's roller coaster. On calm days, they're small. During storms, they grow into monsters. Imagine this. Would you rather surf on a 1-meter wave or a 5-meter wave? Surfers might say the bigger, the better. 4. Swell. What it is. Long, rolling waves that travel far from their origin, often caused by distant storms. Swell waves are like ocean whispers, gently reaching your shore after traveling hundreds of miles. Fun analogy. Swell is like the after-party of a storm. The storm leaves, but its energy keeps the waves dancing. 5. Barometric pressure. What it is. The weight of the air above you, measured in millibars, MB. High pressure means good weather. Low pressure means a storm might be brewing. It's like the ocean's mood ring. Fun fact. Ever seen fish acting weird before a storm? They sense these pressure changes. 6. Visibility. What it is. How far you can see over the ocean. Fog, rain, or storms can reduce visibility, making it tricky to navigate. Imagine trying to steer a ship in a dense fog. Spooky, right? Activity idea. Close your eyes and try walking straight for 5 seconds. Now, imagine doing that on a boat in the ocean. 7. Sea surface temperature, SST. What it is. The temperature of the water at the ocean surface. Warm SST often fuels tropical storms, while cold SST keeps things calm. It's the ocean's thermostat. Quick question. Would you swim in 15 degrees Celsius water or 25 degrees Celsius water? One's refreshing, the other's freezing. 8. Current. What it is. A flow of water in the ocean, moving in a specific direction. Currents are like invisible highways under the sea. They can push ships off course if not accounted for. Example. Ever been pulled by a current while swimming? That's the ocean saying, come this way. 9. Wind speed. What it is. The rate at which air is moving in the atmosphere. Imagine your sailboat racing across the sea. The speed of that wind pushing your sails is what we call wind speed. Measured in knots, nautical miles per hour, it's crucial for planning your journey. Interactive fun. Imagine you're in a race. Would you prefer a gentle breeze, 5 knots, or a strong gust, 20 knots? Why? 10. Tides. What it is. The rise and fall of sea levels caused by the moon's gravitational pull. High tide? The ocean is feeling close to the moon. Low tide? It's taking a step back. Interactive thought. Picture a sandy beach. Would you play at high tide, when water's close, or low tide, when there's more sand? Hope that you're all now familiar in marine meteorology. Remember, the ocean speaks its own language. With these 10 terms, you're one step closer to being its friend. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and may the wind always be in your favor. Ahoy!
For more videos, subscribe Sailor 360 and stay connected.